guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on something that I found on Amazon. It's scratch off art. It came in a 3-pack from what I ordered. This is one of the pieces here. It shows different cities, like this is Singapore fireworks. I don't know. It came in an envelope that I'm assuming has the pieces you scratch off, so let's get started. Alright, so this is the piece I'm going to be doing. It's called Cologne Cathedral. Not sure what this is based off of, but I chose this one because it was really colorful and bright and I got excited about it. It also came with this pack of tools. First one here being this fluffy brush. Just take it out of the plastic and it's very fluffy, kind of like a makeup brush. Then we have this stylus-like stick. Looks very sharp and ready to use. And then this other one that has a needle point on one end. It comes with a cover to protect yourself, I assume. So all there's left to do is get that out of the way and open up this plastic. Alright, so it comes in this envelope and kind of shows everything on the back of how it works. It has a print on it that you'll be scratching off, and you just gotta carefully open this sticker. I was trying my best not to tear the envelope because I'm really bad about that. Now just to show you the front again, it kind of shows what it will look like with the print and then when it's scratched off. And I'm going to start with this stylus stick. I'm not sure what it's called. If you know, please leave a comment below so I can learn.
Oh my goodness, look how colorful it is. It's so bright.
So the black pieces that were coming off didn't actually stick to my hand or anything, so that was really nice. I quickly learned what the brush was used for. It came in handy a lot. I started working on the bridge so I could do these straight lines because it was really satisfying. And then I tried the small lines and it became very difficult to be accurate, so I moved on to this boat. And this is where my sweet kitty Diego decided to join in on the fun. He was curious to see what I was doing.
Look at his little toes.
I swear this cat changed positions like every 2 minutes.
Mom, what are you doing? Let me help.
I tried just holding his paw, that way he was out of the way, but he's still close enough.
We were holding hands.
Alright, he is fed and put to bed, so I am working on this area down here now, kind of adding my own water lines because some of it got scratched by Kitty. So I'm about halfway done at this point and it is gorgeous already. I'm so excited to finish. I saved the bridge for last because all those lines are really repetitive and I didn't want to mess up.
Oh my gosh, guys.
This is gorgeous. I am so thrilled with how it turned out. Look how colorful it is. Oh my goodness. I was so worried while doing it because there were so many tiny lines, and it did come with that little needle point, but it wasn't doing a very good job. So I ended up not using it as often as maybe I should have. And I did end up taking off a little more in some areas than I should have also, But I realized with scratch off art, no matter who's doing it, it's gonna look a little different each time. Just like how my cat decided to add some claw marks up here that I turned into fireworks. Huh. So he left his mark, you could say. I am so thrilled with this. I'm gonna figure out a way to seal it so I can hang it on my wall because it's just so colorful and pretty.
It makes me happy.
And I'm really excited to do the other ones that came with it. And I didn't know this, but each one came with a blank one, so that has endless possibilities. So if you would like to see me do the other ones, and even the blank ones, go ahead and comment below, let me know, and make sure you subscribe so you can see more. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!